Say girl you fine, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time, hop in my ride. Got a whip parked outside, got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug, I ain't going on a date.
Whew, wow. Long time no see. I know it's been like almost a year actually. I have an excuse? No. I just needed a break from YouTube. Like, to be honest, we gonna get into it, but I just want to know, like, hey, how y'all doing? How was life? It's Corona time. We all in quarantine, and I finally found time to upload. Basically, I'm coming up on here to do a little quick update on life, and basically my life, because I know y'all probably like, what the freak happened to you? Like, you look a little bit different. Yeah, when y'all see me 9 months ago when I started junior year, I had no tattoos. I got 5 tattoos now. So yeah, a lot has changed, not just physically with me, but like mentally too. I've grown up throughout this year, because this year has been real stressful. Not about to cap to you, junior year is real stressful, and it's still stressful considering the fact that we have to do online work and I still have to do this graduation project, but it's whatever. Basically, like I said, I just want to give y'all a quick update and let y'all know that I'm still alive. Like, y'all probably think I'm dead, or probably think I just quit, and I did quit for a minute, because if I'm being honest, this YouTube stuff was not going how I wanted. I don't know if some of y'all know or whatever, if you're a YouTuber yourself, but Style Hall actually like went out of business or something, and I was partnered with them, so that's how I made my money. So after they went out of business, I basically wasn't making money from YouTube anymore, and I really did not have the motivation to keep going. And I'm not saying that I only do YouTube for money, but on top of that, I do have a job outside of YouTube, and I do go to school, and I do other stuff too. So YouTube just was not in the mix. I was not really thinking about YouTube, and the fact that I wasn't blowing up really wasn't helping it. So yeah, but anyways, I'm back, and I'm just here, not really trying to make money, just trying to update my true subscribers who are wondering where I'm at, and just here to basically be myself and have fun, because right now I'm bored as I don't know what in this quarantine. So yeah, I did get tattoos. I'm single now, because when y'all last seen me, I had a boyfriend for like 2 years, but y'all only seen him in like 2 videos. But I'm single, so we're not talking about him anymore. He's out of the picture. He's canceled. Yeah, he's done. I'm single. What else can I update y'all on? During this little quarantine, well, before quarantine even started, I bought myself an iPad. So I don't know if I'm gonna be editing on that. I really just bought it for school purposes, but if it's easier to edit on my iPad than it is my laptop, which I have not used in like forever, then that's what I'm gonna be editing on. And I also might have a new intro. I really don't know. I have to figure all of this stuff out whenever I'm editing this, like an hour from now. But got a little iPad or whatever. Still have my car. You already knew that I had a car, so yeah. Really, my life has been pretty boring. Like, besides all of this relationship stuff and going to school, I just been doing the same routine like every single day. Going to school, work, sleep, and eating, and then just repeating it. So it's not really that interesting, but if you guys do want to know, didn't really learn, but I'm learning how to do my lashes, my individuals. No, I don't do them the right way, so don't come in my comments trying to come for me. I don't do them the right way, like how you're supposed to do them. I just do them the easiest way I can, which is putting them under like my lashes or whatever. Don't come for me. As long as I have individual lashes, I'm happy, because doing strips, they was getting to be too much. I still make wigs, but I don't wear them that often. I learned how to braid my hair, so I can do a how to braid hair video tutorial, whatever. Let y'all know how I do knotless box braids with the knots. I don't know how to cornrow yet or do feed-in braids, but we working on it, so stay tuned. that's like all I can really think of. Oh, I did buy a bunch of stuff from Amazon like last night, but it hasn't came yet. Only some of the stuff has came. Like I got an Alexa Eco Dot or whatever. I gotta be careful because she might start doing stuff every time I say her name. I'm not trying to have her playing no music or nothing right now, but I bought one of them things. Also, I bought some more individual lashes and like a new spin brush because the one that I have now completely died, so I needed a different one. And I bought like 65 packs of scrunchies. So yeah, I'm gonna try to think of like fun videos to do, but it's kind of hard to do considering this whole pandemic, epidemic, whatever it is, the whole virus thing. It's not that much that I can do right now, but during the summer, you already know it's going up. We doing vlogs. Y'all probably like, she says this every time, but like really, whenever I start seeing all of this hard work that I put into YouTube pay off, that's when I will feel more motivated to keep going. Like I feel like I put a whole lot of work into my channel, and people who don't put a whole lot of work into their channel are the ones that's blowing up. It doesn't make sense to me, but yeah, that's really all I have to say right now, because I didn't really think this video through. I just kind of was like, should I film a YouTube video? And all my friends were like, yeah, so I did. I didn't really plan it out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you already know I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.